you videotaping this?
No.
Are you videotaping my struggle? My personal struggle?
Are you stuck?
I can't like...
Okay, you just need to... Your pelvis is stuck.
You don't make it in here.
Here, let me help you.
My big muscles.
Okay, just... You ripped your pants?
No!
You peed in your pants?
I was gonna.
Come on. You gotta try now.
I need to like take this bar out.
Come on, Emily, you can do it. You're going.
Oh, this leg is stuck.
Okay, you
Oh,
need...
crap.
I know you can do it. I can't believe you got stuck.
Oh, man. Yes. Victory.
Victory! Okay, you really need to get out of there.
Look at this guy.
Wanna play ninja?
Yeah.
Okay.